Hey everyone, welcome back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. What can I say with the world right now? It's chaos. We watch TV, we watch Facebook, any social media, anything. We run into neighbors and we're all sad. This is a sad time because no one likes being sick. No one likes being sick of something that's new, that we don't know how to cure it, how to take care of ourselves. We know the best option is to keep away from lots of people, to try to stay home as much as possible. So that's my recommendation. Even if we don't like being home, it's better to take care of ourselves and our loved ones. So I hope you guys are safe, that your children, your friends, your family, anyone is safe. And today's recipe, it's a fresh water. It's called horchata, but this one's a strawberry horchata. So I hope this brings a little bit of joy into your homes. The ingredients we need to make our strawberry horchata are 8 cups of water, 1 cup of white rice, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cinnamon stick, 400 grams of strawberries, half a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so to get started, I already got a head start. What you have to do with any horchata is you have to soak your rice. If you haven't seen the past video, you can watch it. That would be the normal horchata. Here what we do is the night before we're gonna make the horchata, you put your 1 cup of rice in a bowl, and you're gonna add 2 cups of water, and you're gonna put your cinnamon stick in there. You're gonna break it apart into little pieces, and you're gonna let that soak overnight, the whole night. And now we can get to the next part, which is processing this. We're gonna pour the whole thing in here, and we're gonna process it finally. We're gonna add the half a teaspoon of vanilla also in here to have it all mixed in as well. In the beginning of the recipe, I explained it's 8 cups of water what we need. 2 of those 8 cups we already used soaking our rice, and now it's processed with that water. Another 2 cups we're going to separate from the remaining 6, and those 2 cups we're going to use to process the strawberries later on. And now what we're going to do is we have 4 cups left in our jug, and we're going to strain the rice mixture in there. Even if you process it, sometimes you still have pieces of rice and of cinnamon, and that wouldn't be nice to drink them. So you have to strain it well so that you can get rid of all those big pieces. So the next step is exactly the same thing we did with our rice. We're going to put our strawberries in the blender, and we're going to add the 2 cups of water we had set aside, and we're going to process it finely, that it mixes well. And then we're going to strain the mixture into the jug of water with the rice mixture already. And after that, we're going to add the condensed and the evaporated milk, and that would be the next step. So we're finished. As you can see, it was super easy. It's really yummy. And who says we have to have a hard time if we're stuck at home? We can cook, we can watch series, we can watch movies, we can read, we can do some home office. I mean, the options are limited. You can enjoy your families more. Many people have very short time to have time with their spouses, with their partners, with their children, with their parents. So now is the time to do all those things we never get to do because we're too busy doing other things. Who says it has to be hard? We can find the positive in everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get cooking. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.